Yep, the Toyota Land Cruiser can carry a Mercedes-Maybach S-Class on its roof. If you were to ask Toyota itself if it is possible to put a 2,200 kilograms car on the roof of the Land Cruiser, they'd probably laugh at you. After all, the roof of the 100 series Land Cruiser is only rated with the carrying capacity around 200 kilograms with approved roof rails. Evidently, the owner of this particular Land Cruiser had no qualms about positioning a car weighing 10 times that amount on the roof of the SUV. This Mercedes appears to be owned by a Russian social media influencer going by the name of Shebatarv Life. His Instagram is filled with wild stunts, and this is one of the craziest. We have no idea how he lifted the S-Class onto the roof of the Land Cruiser, but can see that it is sitting on a wooden frame and is being held in place with ratchet straps running around the A-pillars and between the D-pillars at the rear. It appears relatively stable, but it's a good idea he is driving slowly, as one wrong move could prove disastrous. It seems likely that the whole thing was orchestrated to generate some views on social media, as actually transporting a car like this is very dangerous. Go around a corner too quickly, and both cars will roll. Brake too quickly, and the S-Class could slide off. Accelerate too quickly, and the Toyota could lift its front wheels off the pavement and flip. But I suppose it looks cool. What do you think about it?